Hello everyone, this is the pre-market trade of the day, and if you are first time watch this video, I always at the beginning show the result of the last pre-market trade of the day, and then I come to a new pair for the current day. So this pair, the British pound against the Mexican peso, was our pre-market trade of the day. And I can make it very quick. No of our zones are triggered. We had no trade today on this pair. You can see here was the beginning of the day where I made a video. Then it was going up and down a little bit. We had here a bigger spike up and down, but none of our blue price action zones were reached. Today was from C meeting, but even after that meeting or this announcement, there was no bigger reaction. At the moment, it reacts here on this sell order block, but I decided to use this here for our price action zone because this was a zone over the last market structure. I like this more. So there was no trade opportunity on our pre-market trade of the day, but we had yesterday very nice pips with free trades, and not every day we will get trades, and this is very normal. We have good opportunities during the week, but not every day. So I will now look for a new pair for the pre-market trade of the day. And my today's pair is the dollar against the South African rand. Still and again an exotic pair. We had a very interesting candle today. You can see this huge pin bar here, and I saw a EA trade which took this pin bar here on a screenshot from one of our members who made here profit with this pin bar. And very interesting pair. I like it, and maybe we can today catch here some pips. At the moment the spread is of course too high. We have to wait until the spread has normalized during the next hours. Basically we could say that the pair was going sideways the last days. If you look here, it's like a box where the price were here into it. And with this move here up, it was a really fake breakout. This is one of my reasons why I don't like breakout trading, because in most cases they are false moves, and many breakout traders, I guess, had traded this as a up move here, and then there came the big rejection and they had a loss, for example. So, but this is only to demonstrate you what happened today, and we want to find some trades for the new day. What I would like to see, if price again retests this area here where we had this big rejection here. This was the last market structure high. Here we got this big rejection, and I think if the price comes over this bank sell level again and touches again here this area, I think we could maybe see again a reaction, maybe not such a strong like here, but maybe good for some scalping. So we should definitely watch out, even if it's a single line here, our sell order block. But if we see here some kind of rejection again, we could jump in for a trade, maybe with lower risk and maybe not with such a nice big move we saw here, only maybe for a smaller trade here. But I think we could see here again, if price wants to retest this area, again a reaction. But we have to wait for price action, of course. No pending orders here in this area. If we go higher, you can see our trend line crosses here in this area. It's a very big sell area here, but still we should look here in this complete area where we have the trend line crosses here for price action in this area. If price comes here, that we here get maybe a nice trade if price wants to come again up here in this area. Still no pending orders here, only if we see here price action. In best case, I would here wait that the price touches the trend line 2 or comes a little bit over it, that we get a touch of the trend line and one of these order blocks here. Then this would be good for a sell trade combined with price action. Price action means, for example, a pin bar or a strong red candle. We can for this look also on the M15 time frame. You can see the lower trend line crosses here, this area here. So I would mark this as a potential buy zone. Here we have here a demand zone painted from the Pipnotic software, our supply and demand software we use. It's a fresh demand level here, and if price comes here in this region and touches our trend line, we can here look for price action to go into a buy trade here in this area. And we have two more buy zones I like. This is a very nice buy zone. The two green lines are close together. The light green line and the normal green line, the strong and the normal order blocks are close together for buy trades. The same here. And we're here in this region where we have a lot of demand zones. You can see painted from the Pipnotic software. The same here. So there's a lot of demand here. So we can look here for price action for buy trades too. I would not place any pending order on this pair for this day. I only want to see price action on this areas here during the day, and then we can try here to catch some pips. Maybe if we again think about what would we do if we were market makers, if we could move the market. Of course, we see here this region here, and I think there should be placed many stop losses here in this area from this up move. Traders who are in this up move could place here the stop losses, and if I were a market maker, I would try to come down with the price and catch here this stop losses. So this area would be very nice to trade, of course. Maybe this is too high that we get only a smaller reaction here, but this here, if price comes here, could give us a bigger reaction if these stop losses are catched here. And of course, it's possible that now there are stop losses again here. If there are traders catch this down move, it's possible that here place stop losses in this area, and this is the reason why I think we can here see price action on this region here. And still we try here to get maybe some little trade if we see something here, but as I said, with lower risk and only if we hear clear sign to go into a sell trade. So we have this sell area, and 3 potential buy zones. If we see today price action, we try to catch some pips, and in 24 hours we will see if we could make some pips with this pair. Until tomorrow, have a nice trading day. Goodbye.